Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is an antique haul video. And of course, I am excited to be sharing with my friends here on YouTube all of the wonderful items that I got from my local antique shop. So, of course, I am so excited. I got two sets of items that I know that I am going to be using a lot, and I am absolutely in love with these items. And I'm going to give you a hint, they're bone china. So again, I am truly excited, and I cannot wait for me to share with all of my wonderful friends here on YouTube what I got, with all of my wonderful subscribers, my wonderful viewers, what I got from this antique shop. And I am excited. I am truly excited. So before I even get started on what I got at this antique shop, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, gardening, home decor, and how to entertain at home videos, then definitely subscribe to my channel. It is free. And if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell. Just click on the bell and click on the word all. So that way you will get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. So like I have mentioned, this is going to be a very exciting video, and I am going to be sharing all of the items that I got at the antique shop. Okay everyone, so here is this beautiful bone china set that my mom and I got at the antique shop. And I'm telling you, I am so happy that my mom and I got this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. And I love everything about this bone china set. Now, of course, I'm going to go over all of the details about this set, and it is vintage. And when my mom and I saw this, and I was just looking at it, this set was basically telling me, take me home, Josephine, please take me home. And I listened to it and I said, yes, I will take you home. So my mom and I agreed that we're definitely going to be taking this particular set home. And of course, like I've mentioned, I am going to go over all of the details, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So let me go ahead and get started with the dinner plate. Now, the name of this particular set and the company that makes this, it is from the company Paragon, okay? And the name of this particular set is called Canterbury, okay? So the name of this particular pattern is Canterbury. And I just think this looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, the company Paragon, of course, they no longer exist. And I think a while back, Royal Albert did end up getting it, and then I think they had stopped production. I would say maybe in the mid 90s to the late 90s, they have completely stopped. But there's still some bone china sets and pieces that are still available from this company. If you go on Etsy and if you go on eBay, you'll definitely find some wonderful pieces from Paragon. And it is English bone china. And oh my gosh, I mean, this looks absolutely gorgeous. You can tell it is good quality bone china. and it just looks so beautiful. So here is the back, and on the back it says Paragon, and it says by appointment, China Potters to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, made in England. And here it is. So this is the back, and like I have mentioned, the name of this pattern is called Canterbury. Okay, so now I am gonna go ahead and share the salad plate. So this is the salad plate, of course, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. And here it is with the dinner plate. Just looks so pretty, and I just cannot wait for me to do a tablescape with this set. And here is the saucer for the bouillon bowl or the cream soup bowl. Okay, so this is the saucer. And here is the bouillon bowl, the cream soup bowl. And as you can see, it has the pattern inside, and on the outside it has all that gold. So what I love about this particular pattern is the gold and the burgundy red and the ivory color that it have, and it also have some white in the middle, and I just think it just looks so pretty. I really love all of the details of this. And you know, this is a set that is really timeless, that is really elegant, and it also have a nice regal look to it, and I just think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So here is the continuation of this set. And this set, of course, is for a tea party. So if I am, of course, planning a tea party, I can definitely use this set. And I'm going to go over all of the details. And again, the name of the company is Paragon, and the name of the pattern is called Canterbury. And here is the dessert plate. Now, I can definitely use this as a dessert plate, and I could also use this for, like, let's say if I'm doing a tea party, and I could definitely use this plate for cakes and for sandwiches. And I just think it looks really, really beautiful, and it looks just like the dinner plate, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I really love the pattern on here, and it just looks so pretty. And here is the saucer for the teacup. And here is the teacup itself. And it just looks so pretty and so elegant and so regal. Now, unfortunately, my mom and I only found 3 of the teacups itself. And I know that we do have a few more of the saucers. I think we have about 6 or 8 of the saucers, but the teacups itself, we only have 3. But, you know, that is okay. You know, if I'm planning to do a tea party and I want to invite 2 friends over, I'll definitely use this, and I'll do a table setting for 3 for a tea party. And I just think it just looks so beautiful, and I just love how this particular pattern looks. It just looks so elegant and so regal, and it really have this really sophisticated look to it. So here is the second set of bone china that my mom and I ended up getting at the antique shop. And this particular set is from Wedgewood. And I just think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and I am going to go over all of the details. So let me go over and move this here. And of course, I'm going to start off with the dinner plate. Now, of course, this is from Wedgewood. And the name of this particular pattern is called Blue Siam. And again, it is from Wedgewood, bone china, made in England. And I just think this looks absolutely gorgeous. I just love the floral pattern in here, and I love the blue that is in this, and of course it just looks so beautiful. I could actually see myself doing a beautiful tablescape for spring and summer using this, and it is vintage, and I just think it just looks so pretty. Of course, here is the back with the Wedgewood stamp. And here is the salad plate. Here is the bread and butter plate. And here is the saucer for the teacup. And here is the teacup itself, and I just think it looks so pretty. So of course, if I wanted to use this for a tea party, I can definitely use the salad plate and also the saucer and the teacup. And I'll definitely use the salad plate as a dessert plate or a plate to put sandwiches and dessert on. And I just think it just looks so pretty. It have this really beautiful floral design on it, and I just love how it looks. So here is a continuation of the Wedgewood set. So like I have mentioned, if I wanted to do a tea party, I have the creamer here, and here is the sugar bowl with the lid. And it just looks so pretty. Just gonna go over all of the details on here. It just looks so beautiful. And of course, the same pattern. This looks so pretty. I'm really happy I got this set, that my mom and I got it. Now, here is the vegetable covered dish right here. It looks so pretty. Okay. And of course, here is the gravy bowl. And it did also come with a large platter. So of course, if I am having a dinner party and I'm cooking roast chicken or maybe fish, or maybe if I'm cooking a pork roast or a beef roast, I could definitely put it on this beautiful platter here. Just think it looks so pretty. Of course, I have this little bowl right here. And I also have this right here. So this, I can actually use this again if I am doing a tea party, and I could actually put some sandwiches on here. I could actually put some cakes on here as well. And I just think this looks really, really beautiful. And for dinner time, I could actually put maybe some dinner rolls on here. So I just think it looks so pretty. Okay, so that is it for this antique haul video. And of course, my mom and I are really excited for the 2 sets of bone china that we just found at the antique shop. And we are going to be adding these beautiful sets to our collection. And I cannot wait, ladies and gentlemen, for me to do a tablescape with these beautiful bone china sets. And of course, the next video that I'm going to be doing is a tablescape video. And this is going to be a tablescape video that is all about early spring, and it's going to just be absolutely gorgeous. So again, thank you for watching. You can definitely follow me at all of my social media. All of the links are going to be down below in the description box. You can definitely also check out my Amazon store, and the link to my Amazon store is going to be down below in the description box. And I will be doing more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye and God bless.